Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about meditation. Let's start. Meditation is the training of attention which cultivates that mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation isn't the only way to meditate. Transcendental meditation, which aims to promote a state of relaxed awareness through the recitation of mantra, is also popular these days. Take a seat, find place to sit that feels calm and quiet to you. Set a time limit. Notice your body, feel your breath. Notice when your mind has wandered. Be kind to wandering mind. Close with kindness. That's it. Meditation 5 essential points. Awareness of the present moment. Subduing the negative mind. Mindfulness of the meditation object. Drawing awareness. Unwavering commitment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.